Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu. This is Sifu JJ. Today video, Xun Qiao, the Wing Chun Kung Fu. As we mentioned, so the Xun Qiao is intermediate level of Wing Chun Kung Fu. So Xun Qiao, Xun is searching, Qiao is bridge, searching the bridge from yourself to the other. Let's go one section at a time with details. 二字前仰马. This is the same like 小念头. So your body in the center, so your both hand drop down, cross. This time on the top and go down. And you both wrist and go inside and rotate. Still the left hand on the top and both hand come back where you was. In Xun Qiao, the intermediate level Wing Chun Kung Fu will increase your flexibility with your wrist and elbow. So this is going to twist to later on the technique which 绑手 and 捆手. After that, we're going to do 日字冲拳. So for 日字冲拳, we are past the level for beginner. So beginner, we're going to come back to your center of the line and you go the 日字冲拳 and you come back in. This is the way how to practice to the correct line for 日字冲拳. In Xun Qiao intermediate level, we pass that level, you can straight. As long you come back to the center with the punch, you can switch on both punch to switching with the punch. After the punch, you go 缠手, go inside for circle and quick come back, become the punch again. So right hand to the same, 日字冲拳, 缠手, go to inside and circle, come back, become the fist. For the 缠手is a redirection movement. When someone punch you, that is 缠手. After the punch, we do double 标手. 标手 also called 枕手. 枕手 is a resting hand. So 枕 means resting. So this is resting on your opponent's hand. After the 标手, you turn to your left, become elbow. And you turn right another side elbow. And you come back another side of your elbow. And your stance become 后马. Is behind for bridges, is back bridges. So your line stay in the center. After elbow, your both hand become the double 标手. So your both hand cross, left hand on top, and same time you go open to attack, 45 attack, and go 沉肩坠肘. You both elbow drop, and also you relax your shoulder. 标手沉肩坠肘. 1 and 2. After 沉肩坠肘, you go 拍手, 拍手, slap and slap. See this great combination again. A lot of 拍手, slap palm, also the push palm. So follow me again. So you go 拍手 1 and 拍手 2, 拍手 3 and 4, 推掌 push palm and 5, 推掌 6, 推掌 7, cross and rotate with your 捆手. After this, you do 拦手. Your right hand to push on your left and you twist 拦手. And after that, repeat 2 times. Go 捆手, 拦手, 捆手, 拦手. With the last 捆手, left hand cross on top of your right hand and pull and drop your elbow and pull your hand, come back and same time you punch straight 日字冲拳 left hand. Before we go to the section 2, if you're new here, you should to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so you never miss the new videos. Section 2 with 捆手. Your hand become fist, 扣手. Small steps and heel kick, a landing, and quick twist with 绑手. Your right hand from back, come back to front, to 绑手, to blocking, small steps follows. After 绑手, set steps 2 times. Also repeat with 绑手, 绑手. 防守. Your right hand go down, the 超拳 uppercut. From a down, go up, uppercut. Quick twist, both toes go forward. Again, 超拳, your both toes twist forward and same time. 整手, your right hand to the front. Your left hand, 插掌 on top of your right hand. Rotate back, and your right hand twist. Become 扶手 again. 1, 2, come back and twist. And small steps to make heel kick. And side step 1 and 2. And 3. 插掌 rotate, come back, 捆手 扣手 step with your heel kick. And after that, we got side steps. 防守 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 超拳 整手 插掌 圈手 just like the other side. The 寻桥 intermediate level of Wing Chun Kung Fu. In section 2, we're not just turning by left and right. The whole back branch are turning. Also, we do more walking, the side walks, the side transfer,防守. So no matter how you walk, your body structure stay the center line. With the side walks, your line stay the same. Searching your both hand and both legs in good structure and balance with your center line to attack or defense or lead directions. That's all, my friend. Thank you for watching. For next video, we'll do the full tutorial 寻桥 Wing Chun Kung Fu. I see you in next video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.